Guys and dolls, so welcome back to the makeup community. I just wanted to pop on here real quick to say I am so sorry I'm not going to have videos this week. I thought I would be able to pre-record, but it has been so nuts and so busy. So what's happening is my son was deployed overseas and he is coming home this week. And so it has been absolutely crazy getting ready for him to come home. Super excited. I waited a long time to become a mom. I couldn't carry my own. I tried. I had surgeries to repair what was wrong, the whole 9 yards, and I couldn't have them. And so I became a mom when he was a teenager. And yeah, people look at him and look at me and go, "Were you 12?" So, I am super, super excited. I am, I'm like mom brain going crazy here. So I wanted to come up here and say I am so sorry that I am not better prepared. I should have been better prepared for you guys. I'm really sorry. I know I look like crap on a cracker right now, but it's kind of how this week has been. So anyway, I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful week. I will be back on Tuesday. I have got a Sephora haul here, just waiting to share my shame with you. I've got some new products found at Ulta that I'm really excited about, that I want to share with you. I want to test it out. I got new mascara I want to test out. I got a lot of stuff going on here for you guys, so hang in there. All right, I will see you in my next video. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Bye.